I don't know if this is like a makeshift flea market or what. Like somebody's selling a beat up old stroller or used shoes. Probably some household tools that are probably belong to somebody else. This lady's buying some coffee. I wouldn't buy coffee from here. I'd be concerned about what's in the damn coffee. And selling like bed frames and a George Foreman grill. Used clothes that have funny stains on them that smell funny. Well, I'm coming up to a church. I'm coming up to a church and maybe I need to cleanse myself of the filth that I'm witnessing. So anybody that gets to see this, oh man, what a freaking crackhead. Crackhead with a dog, probably selling the dog for some crack. Wonder if this freaking thing works. Selling wheelchairs. I'm surprised I didn't see any dead pigeons for sale. Oh. Whatever. It's just, I'm gonna find a more comfortable place to be in. I just want to cross this road. You know what, the hell with it. I'll go somewhere else and cross somewhere else. See, even this security guard here, he's standing behind a gate. Standing behind a gate with some glass. He doesn't even want to be exposed to this filth. Yeah, you want to buy a freaking walker. And some beat up old vacuum cleaner from 1972. Oh. Cleanse me from the filth that I have witnessed. Funny thing is, on a lot of these travel channels on YouTube or TV or whatever, they show they showcase a lot of places, and they make it, you know, with post editing and everything like that, they make it seem like, oh, this is a really cool place, you have to check it out. Not so. At least not with Ballaro Market. Stray cats, dead cats, vacuum cleaners older than me, puppies for sale in exchange for crack. Guy selling the kitchen sink. That guy there who had a kitchen sink for sale it wasn't even his own kitchen sink either. Probably took that from somebody when they were sleeping at night. Stepped on some broken glass. At least it wasn't a hypodermic needle. You know, when I arrived yesterday, I was so excited, and I still am. But I wanted to go into nature, see a lot of stuff. So this area here is called Corso Torcoi. Corso in many ways means road, course, street. Street is usually strada, but and Torcoi would be, from what I believe, Turkish. So this would be the Turkish region of Palermo. Palermo had been under the control of the Ottoman Empire for quite a long period of time. Well, if I keep going, on Corso Torcoi, I'll get to Piazza Giulio Cesare, which I was there before, and then I could head north back towards my Airbnb, or my hostel I should say, and research. I have to use the washroom anyways, and then I'll research where else I could go. I mean, I'm planning on going to this what I thought was a close by mountain where I could hike to the top and oversee it, but apparently it's half an hour by car, so just getting there would probably be 4 hours by hike. Then I gotta hike it. Then I gotta go. Holy frick, man. Okay. Okay. I can dig it. But yeah, I mean, the mountain I wanted to go to is actually quite a ways away. Oh, church bells. So I have been cleansed. Church bells are ringing. Place is so ghetto that even the water fountain ran out of water. Yeah, I have to go one more street over.
Vai,